Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the snipping tool in Windows 11 if it is freezing, crashing, or simply not opening when you press the buttons. Now the process is extremely straightforward, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now the most common reason the snipping tool stops working is its internal files get corrupted. Now we can fix this using a built-in Windows repair option. So just simply go ahead and click on your Start button. Then just simply select Settings. Then on the left-hand side panel, click on Apps. And then in the right-hand side section, click on Installed Apps. Now in the search bar at the top, just simply type Snipping Tool. And after that, you should be able to see Snipping Tool. Now what you'll do is just simply click on the three dots next to the Snipping Tool over here. Then click on Advanced Options. Now just simply scroll down until you see the Reset section, and over here, first click on the Repair button. This tries to fix the app without deleting your data. Now wait for the check mark that will appear, and then try opening the application. If it still doesn't work, simply go back to the same Reset section, and this time click on the Reset button, and a confirmation message will pop up, telling you that this will wipe your app's settings and it'll make it like new, which usually solves the problem. So just click on Reset, and then wait a few seconds till you get the check mark. Now see if the app is working or not. Now, if the app works when you click on it, but nothing happens when you press the Print Screen key on your keyboard, we simply need to enable that particular shortcut. So what you do is just simply head back to the Settings menu. Then on the left-hand side panel, click on Accessibility. Now scroll down to the Interactions section, and over here, simply select Keyboard. Now over here, look for the option that says Use the Print Screen button to open screen snipping. Make sure that this is turned on. Now once you flip the switch, pressing the Print Screen key on your keyboard should instantly bring the Snipping Tool overlay, which you can see right over here. And lastly, if it is still crashing, you might be on an older version that has some type of bug, so we need to force an update. So simply open your Microsoft Store from your Start menu. Then click on the Library option, and over here, just simply find the Snipping Tool in the Applications list. Then just simply open it. And over here, if you see an Update button, just simply update that right over here. And if you don't see an Update option, just simply go back, then click on the three dots over here and click on Uninstall, and then reinstall the same application. Then wait for it to finish. And once it is done, your application should be fixed and will most likely not crash. So that's it. You should now be able to capture screenshots effectively. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.